Welcome! In this video, you'll learn how to use the standard Bitergia dashboards to start getting insights from your data. By following this example, you will be able to get insights about the code contributions by community members. But before going on, let's have a look at some common questions we receive regarding code contributions. The most basic question is about the activity around code contributions in a software project. What is the overall activity in the development of a project? There are other questions that are very interesting, like which companies are the most active ones? What is the trend of those contributions? What is the most active repository inside that project? Another common question is related to the activity of other teams and organizations. Where are other community members active? Other similar questions are: is the trend of contributions similar when a certain company is excluded from the analysis? Is there any change in the list of most active repositories? Now, let's see how one of my colleagues uses the Bitergia Analytics platform to get the metrics we need to answer these questions. So, let's start.
Yes, thank you. Let's dig into the data. When you enter Bitergia Analytics dashboard, you will get to the Overview dashboard. This is showing aggregated data from different data sources. As we are interested in answering questions about commits from community members, we need to go to a dedicated dashboard. You can go to the Git Overview dashboard. You can find it right here under the menu. You click on Data Sources and then on Git Overview dashboard. As we are interested in looking at the contributions for a given project, we need to add the corresponding filter. We can use this table on the top right corner to add a filter by project. We can click on the magnifying glass and the filter will get applied. Once you apply a filter, all the visualizations from the dashboard get updated. The next filter we are going to apply is the time picker filter. You can find it on the top right corner, right here. We need to select last 1 year to see the contributions submitted during the last year. This date is related with the creation date of the elements, in this case, the creation date of the commits. We are now closer to answer our question. Which are the main contributions outside the main organization in the project? For that, we need to apply another filter, which is filtering out the results from that main organization, in this case Bitergia. Now we have the results we want. We can now focus on any of these visualizations, for instance, in the top 5 repositories in terms of contributions outside the main organization.
Continue to the next lesson and learn specifics on how to use the platform. Thanks for watching.